you see here, you will have more than, so let's say working hours per week is about 44 times 4, let's say 40 times 4, so you get 160 hours. Let me assume first. So 160 hours per week. Okay, your rest day, let's say you need to work 1 day, so it's 8 hours. Your public holiday, maybe you take 1, you get 8 hours. Okay, so normally you see, you still can have about 176 hours per week. Okay. This is within so-called, then plus your overtime hours, right? So this is, let's say 72 divided by, let's say OT. So you take 72 divided by 4 weeks. So it's 18 hours per week. So you see, in Singapore, we are very generous. Per week, literally, you can work 194 hours.